Hey guys, Tony here. So it does look like Bitcoin might be starting that sell off towards 26k. We are crossing under that support of 32k. Currently at 31.6, and on the reverse MACD, it does look like we are about to hit a bearish trigger. And you guys know how much BTC loves selling off when the stock is oversold and we get a reverse trigger for the weekly chart on the reverse MACD. So I mean, it does look like we are touching the 50 MA, but I would definitely give this a little bit more weight towards the bear side. I do think we are officially starting that descent towards 26.3 as soon as this candle breaks to the downside and we do start closing, because it looks like it looks like that Kevy is still being pretty heavy. Again, this candle doesn't close for 3 days. So we still have, what is it called? We still have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And if this candle actually crosses over on that support and we close somewhere under here, like in the 30K, 31K, I'm like 99% sure we're going to be going down to 26,300 or something, back to this support. What is that? 26,320. So if you guys are holding Bitcoin bags or any other crypto bags like I am, kind of prepare yourself, because I do think that as of right now, in like 3 or so days, you know, it's looking like we're going to be closing pretty big on the scary side, right? I don't think we're going to rebound off this 50 MA. I think we're actually going to keep going down, and I think we are headed towards 26,300, that previous support zone. Even on the daily, we can check. Daily is still pretty bearish. We still got that death cross going, no signs, and you can actually see the breakdown right here. It wanted to move a little bit to the upside, and then we sold off, and it kept triggering down. Again, the monthly perfectly on the bear side. Look at that. Every single candle has been bigger than the previous one. July has been bigger than June. June has been bigger than March. No reason for me to think that we're gonna be bouncing off this 32k level. I'm still holding my shorts. There's no reason for me to close my shorts on Bitcoin or Doggy right now. As you guys know, I do think Doggy is going down to what did I say, like 7 cents, and Bitcoin is gonna be going down to 26.3. That's just, I'm like, just looking at the chart right now. I mean, I don't know for sure until Sunday when the week candle actually closes, but I think come Sunday, I think I'd be more biased towards, you know, seeing Bitcoin. Like I told you guys in my last TA, I'm like, in the next week or two, I'm like, I really think we're gonna see that 26k mark. And looking at the chart today, it definitely looks like, you know, we're gonna be heading down, and this is just from momentum. You can easily see it. So, you know, if you're holding bags, good luck. We're about to have that, you know, that trigger on the reverse MACD for that bear push to the downside. So I'll see you guys later.